My father looked at me one day, said, "Son, it's plain to see that you're getting older and should have a talk with me. For you'll be going on lots of dates as to a man you grow. And there's one important thing every boy should know. It's that these girls were made to love. Girls were made to love. That's why some have eyes of blue. That's why some stand 5 feet 2. 'Cause girls were made to love. One day soon you'll have a date and you'll take her home that night. And you'll wonder as you look at her, would a kiss be right? The more you look, the more you'll find those doubts will fill your head. But think real hard and you might recall the things your old dad said. It's that these girls were made to love. Girls were made to love. That's why you watch them walk down the street. That's why their kisses taste awfully sweet. 'Cause girls were made to love.